Hey, what's up, guys? I was sent these sponges for free so I could try them out and give you guys all my opinion. So the ones that I was sent come in the gray color in a 4-pack. There's different options you can get. I know there's different colors and different pack sizes. And you can see how they come. You get 4 of these wrapped in this plastic here. And why they do that is because you can see the water droplets in there. So they're pre-moistened, so they're soft. This one here I had out like last night, and they get like really hard when they dry out. So that's just so you can have an idea of what you're looking at when they come. And then this one I'm actually going to do the demo with. You can see how soft and spongy it is. So you run them under water for about 20-30 seconds or so after they dry out, and then you want to make sure you don't get them too soaked. I mean, they soak up water really good, but you don't want to get them too soaked, or else you'll just get like water in whatever you're cleaning. So I'm coming over here now to my window track today, and I just want to show you kind of how it picks up the dirt and debris and stuff out of there, and then I'll show you how well they rinse off and clean up. So real simple. So you see kind of the water kind of smushing out of there, so you want to make sure you don't have too much. And obviously my window track here is like really dirty, so it's not going to grab everything all at one time, but just look at how much dirt it pulled out of there just that quick. I mean, so definitely gonna take me a couple passes to get it cleaned out, but I mean, I haven't found or used anything else so far that was able to easily kind of form and get down into those cracks, which is honestly why it's so bad in the first place. So I mean, I think these are really cool sponges. So now I'm just gonna walk over and show you how easy they are to rinse out. So all right, so here I am now in my bathroom, at my bathroom sink, and I'm just gonna turn my water on and just show you how easy the dirt and mud washes off these things. And you can also see how much water they tend to hold here too. So you can see just a quick rinse, and it's pretty much back to about as new as you can get after cleaning up dirt with stuff. So then just a quick squeeze, you can see how much water they actually hold. So wrung out a ton of water there, and it's still pretty damp. So I mean, it's in a good spot to do its job even right now. So you just wring it out good and go wipe down whatever you need to wipe down. So I mean, I think it's a really cool product, and I'm happy to have it, and I'll definitely be using it throughout all of my windows to get those clean. Thanks.